Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can record a child's observation and how the same can be shared with the parent as a learning journey PDF. For that, you need to come to this observation records. So this is where you keep a track of all the observations that you have done till date. You have a couple of filter options here. You can search for a child by the name. You can search based on the type of the observation, if it's an observation, reflection, or a concern. You can also filter them based on date, or also based on the date if you want to filter them based on the creation date or the observation date. And you can also filter them based on the classroom. Now for me to record a new observation, I'll click on this add observation. Now once I click on this add observation, a page like this will open where I can choose the observation date. I can either hide this observation from the parent, or if I uncheck this, once I save it, this observation will be shared with the parent. They will also be notified that the school have added an observation. If you do not want to share it now, you can simply keep this box checked. Then you can also select a child as to for whom you are doing this observation. You have an option of adding a single child, or you can add multiple child to the same observation. If the observation is same for multiple students, you can choose multiple students here. You can also tag a staff just to notify that okay, this is the staff who saw or who observed this on the child during any of the activities that were performed. Now here you can enter the description as to what was the observation about. You can also use this AI option wherein you can choose to add some suggestion. You can choose the language type. You can choose the emotion. Let's say I want to sound excited. I'll choose this and I click on generate. Now, based on the input that I've given, it will give me a couple of options. Whichever one I seem to be more apt for my observation, I can choose that and I can save it. I can also use the paraphrase option here, and also I can translate this to multiple different languages based on the parent's understanding. Now once I've added description here, I can also add some next steps. Okay, wherein you can add, once this observation is done, what are the next steps for the child. You can add that detail also here. You can use the AI function here also. Then for the observations that you are recording here, if you want to add some attachments, you can click on select file and you can simply add those attachments here. And then you can also choose, okay, within this observation, what all different milestones did the kid achieve. So from all the different development area I have, I can choose multiple development area, or I can choose an individual development area. And now within that development area, what all milestones did the kid achieve, I can choose that. Now once I've done this, I also have an option here of using a filter. So let's say this child belongs to a age band of 40 to 60 months, and I want to check only the relevant milestones. I can simply click and choose the age band here, which means all my milestones will be filtered based on that particular age band. Now, instead of me choosing from the entire curriculum, this is how the age band comes into play as a filtering option. Once I have added all the details, I can simply click on Save Observation. Now, once this observation has been saved for a child, now for me to share this observation with the parent as a learning journey, I'll simply go to Student Assessment. I'll go to Learning Journey here. Now, I can click on Create New Learning Journey. I will choose the student, let's say Chandler. I can choose the date range for which I am recording or sending the learning journey with the parents. Choose the start date and end date and submit. Now, as I can see for Chandler, within this selected duration, I have done three different observations, right? So under physical development, I have this observation. Under expressive of arts, I have this observation. And under communication and language, I have this observation. Basically, here the observation is getting split based on the development areas that are tagged, which means for you to create a learning journey while doing the observation, you need to tag a specific development area. Only then those will be reflecting in the learning journey. Now, while sharing this PDF, you can see this as staff only, which means when I created this particular observation, I had checked the option of hide from parent. That is why it shows as staff only. Now, while sharing the learning journey, if you want to include these, you can keep it as it is, or you do not want to share this yet with the parent, you simply remove this. Now, if you see here, it got unchecked from here. And also, if you want to show milestones in the PDF, and if you wish to show the next steps in the PDF. Now, once I click on share PDF, now again here, based on my PDF level setting, my learning journey will be created. Now I can see the school name, your school logo will come here. You see the child name, it says learning journey and the duration. And here you will see all different observations and the milestones that were done. And you can click on this share PDF. It will then share this PDF, the learning journey PDF, with the parent on their registered email ID. Also, an activity called learning journey will be created, which the parents will be able to see it on their app. Thank you.